The Philips HUE has held a spot on our list of best smart light bulbs for a long time, and for good reason. These lights are easy to install, move around your home, and look great anywhere you put them. So today, we'll give you a quick rundown of how to install a Philips HUE smart light bulb. This is a Philips HUE A19 smart light bulb, and one of the best things about it is that it can work with or without a Philips Bridge. With that bridge, you can add even more lights around your home and set the mood with different colors all at once. Today we're keeping it simple, and I'll walk you through the setup you need to do to set up this via Bluetooth. This makes it really easy to move different locations and areas in your home without needing to deal with Wi-Fi. So let's get started. Add your new light to a lamp or light fixture of your choice. Here is my trusty bedroom light. Screw in the light bulb and make sure the lamp or light fixture is on. Then open the Philips HUE app and select Add Light. If you don't have a bridge, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and you get a Bluetooth-enabled smart light like this one. You'll see an option to add HUE Bluetooth lights and select that. The app will search for your light once you pass this menu. It took a mere seconds for mine to pair. And then that's it. Like I mentioned before, we're going to keep it really simple today, but you can do a lot with these lights. In the Philips HUE app, you can change the color of the lights, temperature of the lights, and even add effects like a candle flicker or a fireplace. Cozy. HUE also has built-in color scenes that work with multiple lights, or let you cycle through the color palette. Scrolling through these, it looks like there's something for just about every mood and every occasion out there. The whole Philips ecosystem is more of a more the merrier principle. On their own, these are easy to control, set up, and adjust, but they're kind of expensive for just one light bulb, and they're so much better in groups. We'll be doing more about smart light bulbs later this month if you want to see more, so subscribe and catch our upcoming Best Smart Lights video at the end of this month. Thanks for watching, and send us your bright ideas on how you use your smart lights. Hey, if you're one of the 10 people who made it this far, thanks for watching. And if you want more safety, head over to Safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe.